and welcome to the Wistery vlog. Today we're going to do a merch talk, and I've been to Germany and I grabbed myself some Funko surprise eggs. Are you going to unbox them with me? Okay, so I got ourselves 9 of these eggs in these 3 packets. As you can see, there's a lot of Quidditch in there, and I think this one is better than the blue ones. I really like this Ginny and of course Luna. So let's find out. First thing is the actual egg. As you can see, this time they've chosen for a brownish or burgundy red. So we're gonna open it. I have to hold it like this because I'm all by myself, so bear with me. There we go. Ooh, I see a snitch. I think, yeah, a snitch. We have a little Harry. So here we are with the sticker. And now you can actually use it as a keychain. That's pretty neat. Okay, that's the first one. Second egg is gonna be... Oh. Ooh, something happening there. I'm gonna show it you guys pretty soon. Okay, I think it's Cedric. Just gonna click them together. And we have Cedric. Okay. I'm gonna put Cedric over there next to this one. Third egg. Oh my. There we go. It's a bit open, so we're gonna eat that pretty soon. Okay. Ooh. Okay, just bear with me, you guys. I think it's Dumbledore, and this time he's in his red outfit. That's cute. This is backside. I did not show the backside of Cedric, but we will eventually. There we go. Next packet. Fourth egg. Okay. Did you look at that? This is... Oops, sorry. This is Hagrid. Oh my. Gonna put him together. Look at that with the little binoculars. That's cute. Okie dokie then. We're gonna put him next to Dumbledore. Yep, cat. Sorry guys. There's a cat here. The 5th egg. There we go. Ooh. Boys and girls. It's somebody else. I thought it was Hagrid. But it's not. It is Ron in his Quidditch outfit. Just a sec. There we go. There he is. Egg number 6. Ooh, it's another keychain. This time it's Ron. It's a sticker. There you go. And there he is. Now for the last eggs. And there you go. The 7th egg. Ooh, we found a golden Freddy. Kidding. We found a golden Harry. And there he is. It looks fabulous. So, 8th egg. There we go. Ooh, so what's this? Ah, duplicate. Our first duplicate out of 9, so, well, you know, those things happen. So we got 2 Cedrics. And for the very last egg, we have ooh. And a sticker. Ginny. There's Ginny. I think it's some sort of clip. There we go. And that's the end of the video. We only had 1 duplicate out of the 9 eggs that we had. And this is my favorite. It's the golden Harry. He is holding the snitch. So it's gonna be on my bookshelf. If you liked the video, give a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And while you're here, over here, we have the last video that we made about Kinder Surprise eggs. And that's the blue one with Harry Potter, of course. Over here is a video that YouTube wants you to see. It might be one of our vlogs or something else. And over here is a playlist with all the merch talks that we did in the past. We will see you next time. Bye bye!